fellow CLAT aspirants, welcome back to my channel. Approximately in these 2.5 years of my content creation journey, I have uploaded two videos regarding CLAT. First one was pulling an all-nighter, which is the most watched video on my channel. The second one is when I shared about CLAT, life update, how I feel after failing in ALET and CLAT. Whenever I see comments of those videos, there are two things that I noticed. First one is that I received a lot of love and kind messages from you all. It really helped me. Thank you for all of that. And second, there is a lot of doubts and confusion regarding how should I go about my preparation, and you have asked me many questions. So here I am with a CLAT Q&A. I was actually thinking of making this video since a decently long time but I felt like I'm not ready for it. I have not healed. And now I feel that this is the right time to make a video for you all. And now in no specific order, I would be addressing all of your questions. This question is asked by Khushi. Hey Arya, I appreciate your hard work and wishing you lots of success. Thank you so much. What do you think is the best alternative to newspaper reading? Is there some YouTube channel for the Hindu or something? Yes, it is. Is there any alternative for reading newspaper? I would say yes. If you want to cover current affair, then there is. You can go for any monthly compendium. उसके साथ आप डेली कहीं से इट कैन बी विजन IAS कहीं से भी अगर आप रोज का करंट अफेयर कवर कर रहे हो, उसके साथ मंथली मैगजीन फॉलो कर रहे हो, plus you are practicing some MCQ from GK Today or any other website, I would suggest you all Examire. I don't know, it is like a brand channel of Lawgiri. Legal Edge pe around 11 AM if you are a morning person and you want to read your newspaper in morning. Or maybe other, and I've seen it on Law Prep channel also. So there are a lot of channels who do newspaper analysis. The next question is asked by Kanishka. Kanishka, yeah, I'm pronouncing it right. The CLAT versus NEET, which is more tough, and how much we should study for CLAT daily? Okay. So I think she is thinking कि मैं CLAT करूँ या फिर NEET करूँ. Maybe she is in 10th or she is deciding कि कौन सा stream or whatever it is. See, both of them are two different careers. It is not the same. अगर आप पूछते कि CLAT versus ALET, so it would be easier to tell. बट यहाँ पे डिफरेंस साफ दिख रहा है कि अगर आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, इफ यू रियली सी गो फॉर व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. फॉर मी आई विल चूज बीइंग लॉयर over being a doctor any day, not because doctors are bad, because of my abilities and how I see things, because of what I want to do. Huge respect to all the doctors. Now सो डिसाइड कि आपको कहाँ अपना कैरियर ले जाना है. अगर आप CLAT करोगे तो आप लॉयर बनोगे, अगर आप MBBS करोगे तो आप डॉक्टर बनोगे, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर टफ. आई वुड से NEET इज टफर बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड स्टूडेंट दैट पार्टिसिपेट देयर. अभी उतना क्राउड आई थिंक इज नॉट इन CLAT, बट स्टिल CLAT इज ऑल्सो टफ. सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर टफ. दोनों डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑफ करियर हैं. तो वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू चूज एंड आपको मेहनत दोनों में करना होगा. नाउ when it comes to how many hours, I believe that you should not prepare considering hours. You have to put in a lot of hours. जैसे जैसे टाइम आते जाएगा, देखो आप अपनी रूटीन से कितना टाइम CLAT के प्रिपरेशन को दे सकते हो, उस अनुसार से. इट शुड नॉट बी आवर बेस्ड. I would suggest you all कि आप practice करते रहो. I talk about practice. I want to highly recommend you a book which is this one. This is from Oswald Books. If you know this brand, I personally have solved their sample papers in my class 12 preparation. I had just last 2 months क्योंकि मैं CLAT prep के दौरान बिल्कुल भी अपने class 12 पे ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी. Sadly, I should have been balanced it. But मेरे पास लास्ट के 2 महीने बचे थे prepare for my boards, and there this brand's book was there for me and it helped me a lot. तो मैं बता सकती हूँ कि it will help you a lot. And now let me introduce this one to you. So this has 10 year-wise solved paper for CLAT and ALET both for you. If you are preparing for CLAT and ALET both, it's a lottery for you. If you are in mid of your preparation journey, तब तो आप ये book solve नहीं करो because it is for CLAT. 2024 एग्ज़ाम एंड इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर, आप 2025 में क्लैट लिखने वाले हो, सो भी मैं इसको ऑनेस्टली रेकमेंड करूँगी बिकॉज इफ़ यू आस्क मी, ये भी एक क्वेश्चन है कि हम कहाँ से प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करें। आई वुड से कि पहले जिस एग्ज़ाम के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, हमारे केस में ये लॉ आई मीन क्लैट है, so first write down the syllabus. After that, solve previous year papers, and the fact that it has both the syllabus and solved previous year papers, a highly recommendation. इनकी किताबें ना बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में होती है, so you will not have a problem कि इसका आंसर कहाँ है, ये कहाँ है. Now as you turn the pages of this book, the first thing that will come is tips and tricks for CLAT examination. And then you will see an overview about examination, the syllabus of both CLAT and A-Late, about the eligibility criteria. You will see NLU का कट ऑफ कितना था पिछले 3 सालों में from 2020 to 2023, and you will be seeing your dream college's name in it. The next page is my favorite, which is trend analysis from 2020 to 2023. Now आपको पता चलेगा कि किस टॉपिक से कितने क्वेश्चंस, कितने पैसेजेस आए थे, and then you will jump to your mocks. The good part is that अभी इस बुक पे सेल चल रहा है, so you can go buy it from Amazon and their website too. Links will be in the description, guys. Next one is by Parthvi Garv. Hey Arya, so proud of your efforts. Thank you. You tell me which is better, online या offline coaching institutions? To answer this question, I would like to take my example itself. I knew कि मैं online coaching में discipline नहीं रह पाऊंगी. The main thing that is important when you take any online coaching is that you should be self-disciplined. If you are not self-disciplined, you are not going to attend the classes. And the pros of it is कि आप किसी भी आप अपने favorite coaching institution के साथ पढ़ सकते हैं. You can study from the best. When it comes to offline coaching, you will go attend a class physically. So you know teacher, you can grab personal attention. The teacher knows you. उनको पता है कि आप किस तरीके से चीज़ों को समझते हो. So it would be a lot of, I think, personalized attention. Not so good part about offline coaching is कि हो सकता है आपके शहर में आपके शहर में कोचिंग ना हो, या फिर हो भी तो जिसमें आपको जाना है वो ना हो. One is by Bharti Singh, which coaching institute would be better for CLAT preparation in Bihar, Patna. So basically I am from Bihar and I went for 9 months to Patna. Honestly, अगर मुझसे ये सेम क्वेश्चन कैमरा के पीछे पूछा जाता तो माई आंसर वुड हैव बिन डिफरेंट, बट यहाँ पे आई वुड नॉट गिव यू अ क्लियर आंसर बिकॉज मेरे व्यूज़ कुछ और हो सकते हैं. सो व्हाट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कि आप किसी भी शहर से हो, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वुड रिकमेंड यू ऑल, अगर आप कोई कोचिंग ज्वाइन करने वाले हो, गूगल पे जाओ, सर्च ऑल द कोचिंग दैट आर इन योर सिटी, एंड देन आप हर कोचिंग में जाओ, टेक डेमो क्लासेस, टॉक टू देयर स्टाफ. यहाँ से भी आपको लगे कि हाँ दिस इज़ बेटर प्लेस फॉर मी, यहाँ से मैं सीख पाऊँगी ज़्यादा, या द स्टाइल इन विच टीचर टीचेज वो आपको पसंद है, या द बिहेवियर, द एटमोसफेयर देयर, वट एवर इट इज़, देन गो टू दैट कोचिंग. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि मैं जो कोचिंग रिकमेंड करूँ वही अच्छा हो फॉर यू. सो डू योर ओन रिसर्च, यूज़ योर ओन ब्रेन एंड वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. Shraddha asked, hey, how do you remember all the news? I read and mostly forget, सबके साथ होता है. And one more thing, do you make notes after reading newspaper? If yes, then make one video please. Okay, so these are ये questions बहुत पहले मुझसे पूछे गए थे क्योंकि वीडियो भी मैंने बहुत पहले डाला था. देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल भूलने वाली चीज़ श्रद्धा हर किसी के साथ होती है. सेकेंड, लेट मी टेल यू कि उस टाइम पे आई फिल्म्ड अ वीडियो वेयर आई टोल्ड कि मैं कैसे नोट्स बनाती हूँ, बट ड्यू टू being busy in the preparation, I never edited it and thus I did not uploaded it. So here is what I used to do. कि सुबह सुबह जैसे न्यूज़पेपर आया, while brushing I used to see कि इसमें से कौन कौन से न्यूज़ हमारे लिए एज अ क्लैट एस्पिरेंट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, टिक मार्क दैट. एंड जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलता था आई यूज टू रीड न्यूज़पेपर एंड हाईलाइट जो भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है उसमें से. एंड एट नाइट आई यूज टू मेक नोट्स from that highlighted part. Make sure, and one extra tip that I would like to give you, कि don't make it too lengthy. it would not help you all. Last minute पे वो बहुत confusing हो जाएगा. So try to make direct notes. अब हम school में नहीं है basically. So try to make direct notes. Use arrow. कोई भी mark use करो कुछ denote करके short forms. So and this will come आराम से. Don't panic कि आज मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. एक हफ्ते बाद हो जाएगा. एक महीने बाद you will be able to make notes very well. Okay, so this was the video. I hope it helped a lot of you. And most importantly, I wanted to keep it short because there are a lot of lengthy videos on my channel, honestly. And in fact, one of my lengthy videos are awaiting you, which is 18 things that I learned in these 18 years of my life. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This was the part 1 of this series or whatever it is. And link of the Oswald book will be in the description. You can go, as I have told, and genuinely it is a good book, you can buy. And I hope that you understand this कि I'm saying it as a friend or as someone who have already gone through that journey, not someone who is mentoring you or something like that. It was just a friendly kind of advice and suggestions. So yeah, bye, meet you in the next one.